My name is Scott. I recently had the Nightlase procedure done at Dr. Schiffman's office. I just wanted to take a minute to explain the results after several procedures with the Nightlase. I actually came in with a pretty large amount of snoring. I was waking up at night. My wife was waking up at night, which is more important, and just wasn't feeling energetic, wasn't feeling good throughout the day. After Dr. Schiffman performed the Nightlase procedure on me, I started feeling better immediately. My snoring started to subside and is now completely gone. Feel better and healthier. My weight has gone down. My energy throughout the day has increased by an unbelievable amount. I just can't thank him enough and thank the procedure enough. It's amazing. I mean, if you're having any kind of issue with snoring or sleep apnea, or even if you're just thinking about any kind of sleep disruption, I would absolutely advise you to come on in and take a look and see what Dr. Schiffman has to offer. Great success.